Hi guys, I'm Brinda from McCoy. McCoy means something that is genuine, original and not copied from anywhere. Welcome to the place where we unbox a wide range of products from India's largest manufacturers of home appliances. McCoy, a promise of happiness. At McCoy, we have an appliance that suits the mood for every room and every need. And today we are going to bring to you a stunning home appliance that will keep you cool. The McCoy Force Air Coolers. Now we will show you how to use this cooler. This cooler is fairly simple to use. Just take it out of the packing. Make sure the cooler is placed in an open place, as the cooler works by taking in the air from the surrounding, cools it and throws it into the room. This cooler comes in a stunning grey color with a 50-litre water tank capacity. Now that you've purchased this cooler, let me show you how to install and use it. First step is to fill water. You can fill water through this water inlet. You can also add ice for better cooling during peak summer. You can always keep an eye at the water level inside the cooler with this water level indicator. If you accidentally fill more water, it will go out through the overflow leakage over here. Now that you fill the water in the cooler, you can place it in the window or you can purchase the specially designed stand to keep the cooler. You can place the cooler near you with this 1.8 meter power cord. Now let me show you how to turn on this cooler and use its function. This cooler comes with a powerful but economical double ball bearing motor, which unlike its competitors will never jam or rust. Because of double ball bearing, your motor will have a long and healthy life, which will also reduce the noise of the motor. This cooler also has 3 variable speeds: high, medium and low, as shown over here. Now the second knob you see over here, we can turn on the swing function. The second switch is of cool. When you turn this on, the swing function goes off and the pump motor of the coolers start. The pump motor will suck the water that you have filled into the tank. It will transfer this water to the wood wool pads, which is the cooling medium, which will evenly distribute water through its unique distribution tray. The third function is swing and cool. In this function, the lowers and the pump motor will work simultaneously. With swing and cool function on, the room will cool evenly. These coolers run at operating cost of fan. The body is made of high-strength engineering plastic, which makes this cooler durable in any season. At its maximum speed, the cooler can throw air at a distance of more than 30 feet. So even if you are at a distance, be rest assured that you will be cooled. Now that you've learned to install and operate the cooler, let me show you few points with which you can increase the life and efficiency of the cooler yourself. Now let's have a look at the wood wool cooling medium. So what the wood wool cooling medium does is it converts the hot dry air from outside into cool moist air by passing it through the wood wool cooling medium. If you have a problem with the cooling, this wood wool can be easily replaced. It is always advisable to drain the remaining water after every use. To drain the water, you can simply pull this drain plug at the bottom of the cooler. This is a truly powerful cooler which comes with 1-year warranty to keep you and your loved ones cool during hot summer days. For more instructions, you can go through the user manual that comes along with the cooler. Also, McCoy is the first company in India to have QR code demo videos attached to its packaging. Do check out our wide range of products available on Amazon and Flipkart. So there you have it folks, another great product from McCoy, Force Air Cooler, a great companion for hot summer days. If you have any queries or feedback related to the product, please do not hesitate to leave us a comment below. You can also mail us at customercare@mccoyindia.in, or you can call us on our toll-free number 1800-220276 for any queries. Thanks for watching this video guys. We hope this video gave you some insight on your product. Do like, share and subscribe to our page. We will see you with another stunning product in our next video. Have a great day from all of us at McCoy, a promise of happiness.